Welcome to our guide on CapCut 2025. Today, we'll dive into the hidden features that make your editing experience smoother and more creative. Let's start by exploring the user interface. We'll discover where to find the hidden tools that can enhance your projects. CapCut 2025 introduces advanced video editing techniques. Learn to use smart filters to elevate your footage instantly. Next, we'll utilize stunning motion graphics for dynamic transitions that keep your audience engaged. Enhance engagement by embedding interactive elements in your videos. Let's uncover how. CapCut's AI-driven features are game changers for automatic editing. Explore how they can save you time. Unlock rich sound design using the new audio tools that CapCut has to offer, enhancing your video professionally. Learn how to create custom effects by manipulating layers, adding a unique touch to your projects. Before you hit export, check out our tips on optimizing video quality and export settings for the best results. To wrap it up, maximizing your CapCut experience is about exploring these hidden features. Happy editing!